Friday, I'm going to talk to you guys about smoke detectors. If your house was built before 97, chances are they're not hardwired, but in this situation here in this home, they are. So one was going off, so the homeowner disconnected them all, couldn't figure out which one. But if that does happen to you, this little light will be red instead of green, so you know that's the one. They're super sensitive. Dust, debris, bugs, spiders will set these things off. So it's a good idea to clean them out at least once a year. So on the back of it you can see manufacture date. So replace them every 10 years. I would clean them out annually along with replacing the batteries, and you should be good.